What's up, guys? My name is Frederick, and today we're going to be playing Jailbreak because I love the game. And I'm going to make 3 videos today since this is my first ever video. Please subscribe, comment down below what your favorite game in Roblox is, and leave a like. Only if you like the video, or else you don't have to. But you're probably not gonna like the video since I'm so bad at Roblox. Or no, I'm. This is my first time, so I'm bad at YouTube. Is there actually a thing called bad at YouTube? Could there be? I don't know. There should be. So yeah, this is my first video ever. Wait, what? Yeah, and I'm gonna try to make 2 videos today. Why does this thing keep resetting? This little thing. Okay, so yeah, that's my plan. I'm gonna meet you guys at. Sorry, guys, I stopped it a little too early. I meant I'm gonna meet you guys at the museum. Woohoo! This is a fun ride. Well, you guys, I didn't actually mean at the museum. Sorry, I lied. But I meant close or in the car. So, uh, so the thing with the museum is you can rob a lot of things, and those things are worth different. Yeah, those things are worth more money. Everything is worth more money, and yeah. Sorry my computer's glitching so much. It's because I'm using a really old PC. I had this since I was 5 years old. So yeah, sorry. Oh, by the way, shout out to Joker Noob. Um, he's a really good YouTuber. He has 58 or 60 subscribers by now, and he's my best friend. So if you guys want to check out Joker Noob, yeah, yeah, okay, there. So we're at the museum. I'm gonna rob it because I'm so cool. And yeah, sorry you guys can't hear all the things in the game. Sorry about that. And if you're gonna hate about that, wow. Yeah. So yeah. Oh shoot. Shoot. Oh shoot. Oh, oh. Grab Jewel, grab Jewel. Okay, there. Now I can grab the skeleton. Vet19.com. Oh, that was near. Okay, so sorry that I'm not talking too much. Sorry that I'm not talking too much. I just really need to concentrate on this because I'm really not that good at concentrating. Come on. I hate this. This part is the worst part of the museum robbing. I don't know if there's anyone robbing it with me. Maybe they're already done, but that means they can't get out. Oh, wait, I just switched it. Okay, am I out? Yes, I'm out. That's why I parked my car right there. Okay, so I'm gonna go now to the criminal base and get all my money. Wonder how much I get. Ugh. I really hope I get a lot. Come on. What am I doing? Is that a criminal? Okay, yes, it's a criminal. I'm gonna go to the gun shop and I'm gonna go to the donut shop. So sorry about all the sound I'm making by touching all the blah blah blah. So yeah, I'm gonna go. And there's a new ad in this. There's a new thing in this game where you could actually rob the train, which I'm gonna try a little bit later. It's gonna be a little hard, but I guess I can do it. Oh, there it is. There it is. VAT19.com. Oh, make sure to check out VAT19. It's really good. They're really good. I'm probably sponsoring. I don't know. Sorry if I'm sponsoring, but I don't think I am. Oh gosh, the jewel takes up so much space. Comment down below what your favorite game is in Roblox. So comment down below, okay? And yeah. So this is probably gonna take a lot of time. And if it does, sorry. If it doesn't, I don't know. 4,000, that's nothing. Oh well. At least I get a blue car, which is cool. Ooh, a blue car. And I really want 1,000 subscribers. So if we can hit that within a month, that would be crazy. Like, that would be how? How would that be possible? That would just be crazy. Okay, so please help us with that. And yeah. So by the way, this is my favorite game. If you want to, I can make a live. I can make a live stream here, and you guys can join me. You guys could send me, I don't know, message or something, and you could, yeah, you could do that, and we could play together. I could make a VIP server. You could text me or I don't know something, your account. Oh, oh my god, that was near. That was near death. Oh, and my new favorite game is nothing. This will always be my favorite game. So yeah, I'll meet you at the jewelry store. Boom. Ah, there's a police right behind me. Help, help. Oh no. That was nothing. Just you don't need to care about that. They're going. Oh, sorry that I'm Fan19.com. No! I got arrested! No! Okay, so sorry, but the video has to end here. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, leave a like, comment down below what your favorite Roblox game is, and yep, bye!